How to change Uber driver profile picture. Changing Uber driver profile picture is quite easy and simple. So in this video, I will show you the easy way to change Uber driver profile picture. Just you need to open the Uber driver app on your device and make sure you have signed in, or if you haven't created account, you need to create your account, and then you will get access to this official page of Uber drivers. Once done, tap on the profile or the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to this page, you have to select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, or you need to select the head or the person icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you access this account info page of your Uber driver's account, you have to select the pencil icon on that person like icon which is underneath the account info. Let's tap on it, and here you can see the option to update photo. You need to tap on update photo so your profile photo is visible to everyone across Uber products. So let's select on Uber photo, and you need to give permissions to Uber to take pictures and record video. You can select while using the app or only this time from this page. Now you have to select the app from where you want to set the profile picture from. You can also choose camera or media picker. After that, you have to select the photo and your profile photo has been successfully updated. So in this way, you can easily change Uber driver profile picture. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, then make sure to hit the like button, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.